So I think I'm done making computer science videos, and it's kind of because of ChatGPT and TikTok. You may have noticed that I haven't really made a video in over 6 years, a good one at least. When I started this channel over 7 years ago, I found that resources on the internet weren't really good enough. I would look up a topic that I wanted to study because I was trying to get a job in that certain field, and people just wouldn't write concise articles. The code wasn't really easily copyable or understandable. And so I was making my own tutorials, and then I would make the videos to explain how the tutorials work so you could see me do it on my computer. I don't think that is necessary anymore. I think ChatGPT will give you quick, good answers. I think they'll make it concise and give you good code explanations. And I don't think there's a need to look at videos anymore to see someone else do it because I think ChatGPT can help you with it. Or there's like integrations with Claude and VS Code where you can get help directly in the IDE so that videos and the tutorials I was making just aren't really useful. The other thing is I think people's tastes have changed specifically because of TikTok. I'm not like directly blaming TikTok, but like TikTok is like gigantic. And I think that people want more entertainment when they spend time on social media. I don't think the videos that I were making are ones that I would see on my subscription list and want to click into to watch because they're just not fun, right? They're business, not pleasure. And part of the reason I was making these videos in the first place was because I wanted to make the content that I wanted to see. People weren't making good explanations, and so I was the one who was doing that instead. I think a topic that appeals to me now is investing. I spend quite a bit of time reading news articles and thinking about how to invest my own money. I think it's actually like a higher order than one specific industry, meaning tech was the industry before, because in investing, you kind of have to have an overview of the entire landscape, and that really didn't appeal to me. I wasn't looking at news in the past, but now I am interested in that, so I'm thinking of making a few videos on that throughout the year whenever it comes up, and so I think I'm going to pivot the channel to that. So hopefully I can find some good topics to talk about, and I'll make some of those videos in 2026, hopefully. Thanks.